What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be an early one because I have received my May Birchbox, as you can tell by the title. Welcome back, everyone, to my new subbies. Welcome and thank you for joining the family. I decided to film this one early. I decided to get in there and give you what I have in my mail, in my May Birchbox. So, without further ado, let's just jump into this video. None of the ceremony about This is what the packaging looks like. It's butterflies. Now, I love butterflies. I actually have some at the end of my tattoo. You'll notice it right there. And that symbolizes my daughter. And basically, when she was little, I used to call her my little social butterfly because she was just so open and out there and loving and friendly. So I used to call her my little social butterfly. So my tattoo on my neck represents me and her. Anyway, in my May Birchbox, we are going to run through this. Again, it's one of those slip drawers that comes out, so you just slip it open. And I really do love the packaging. It's beautiful. In my May Birchbox, I got a really nice stuff that I really like. Again, with the pretty packaging, you get all of this inside. So we're just so again, with the pretty packaging, you get a lot of all of this goodness inside. We're just going to remove that and put it in the bin, and I'm just going to run through everything that comes in the box. As usual, you get 5 items, and in my May Birchbox, I decided to go for the Lord and Berry eyeliner pencil. Well, yeah, eye pencil. It's not the full size. It's in black, and the full size is a recommended £13. And I didn't go for the lip liner because that was a little bit, I felt would probably not work on my skin tone, so I opted for the liner instead, and it looks like that. Lord and Berry, and it's just a black pencil. And oh, that's really dark. It's very black and very creamy too, so I'm going to look forward to using that because I do have another one. I had to throw it away because it just left streaks underneath my eye. So actually I'm going to look forward to using this. That was the first time I tested that. So that's Lord and Berry Line Shade Eye Pencil in black. Now that is a very nice liner. The next thing that I got in my Birchbox, which is also, this time they didn't actually put things that were full size or not full size. I doubt this is full size. This is the Nux, I think I'm saying that right, N-U-X-E, Nux, it could be French, who knows. It's the Hue Pedigree Floral. I'm not quite sure what this is. Okay, so it says, envelope your skin in a blanket of floral scented moisture with, okay, so it's like a perfume, I guess. I don't know. It's perfect for hydrating your arms and legs, or you can work a little through the length of your hair to add shine. I've got to be honest with you guys, I'm not quite sure what this is meant to do, but let's give it a smell. Oh, it does smell nice. What does it feel like? Oh, I see. It's a little bit like, it smells okay. It's not really my thing, the smell. I've got to be honest. But it's kind of like not an oil necessarily, but I guess, yeah, it's an oil, essentially. It doesn't say that. Enriched with 7 botanical oils. Really helps when you read the whole thing. Don't do what I do. Yeah, so this is an oil, and basically you can use this on your body, legs, and in your hair. So I'm not really quite sure about that one. That's a bit on that one. The next thing I got was the Botanic Beauty Nourishing Mascara. Now this is a sample size. I'm assuming all of these are sample size except for the last thing, which I'll show you. Oh no, the last 2 items, which I'll show you. And basically this is a brand I've never heard of, and this is a sample size for sure, and it looks like that. It's not focusing. Why are you not focusing? Why are you not focusing? There we go. So I haven't opened this yet, and you know, my thoughts on mascara is mascara. Some of them perform better than others just by margin. I don't really have a lot of eyelashes, so I tend to wear a lot of falsies. I love false eyelashes. I do. I love them. So yeah, I can't imagine that I'll stop wearing them anytime soon. However, I do sometimes go without wearing them too. I'm not that obsessed with them, but yeah, you know, if I can have a good mascara, only because my eyelashes are not that long, if I can get a good mascara that kind of elongates my own eyelashes, or at least makes it stand out more than they, you know, they do now, which is non-existent, then yeah, you know, I would consider that to be a good mascara. But just open the packet. I don't particularly like ones like this, because my eyelashes are very small. This just tends to just mess up, you know, the top of my eye. But yeah, I'll be looking to try that out. It's quite small, but yeah, so that's the third thing in my Birchbox. The next thing is a Mimi Tika. I've never heard of this brand. Face sunscreen SPF 50. Now, being an oily girl, I've been watching a lot of Savannah Silver's YouTube videos, and I've only just discovered her. She's amazing. Please check her out. She's absolutely stunning, and she is funny, very, very funny. She uses this Nivea, it's kind of like water gel based SPF 50. Now I wouldn't mind getting my hands on that because she's an oily girl too. But yeah, I don't know about this. It looks like this. It's quite creamy. It's not only does the SPF defend against harmful rays, of course we all know that, it chock's full of antioxidant, if I can get that word out, antioxidant, vitamin E, to deeply hydrate and further perfect your skin. The lightweight formula sinks in quickly with a velvety finish, never leaves an unsightly white cast, because you know, girlfriend can't do white casts, and is free from harmful ingredients. What a dream. So I like that. I like that. Let's just see. Yeah, see, ooh, wait, yeah, for me that feels quite thick. It feels very moisturizing, I will give it that, but for me, because it's creamy, it's not something that I tend to go for. I mean, I would probably use this on my daughter over the summer holidays on her face and stuff like that, but I would not use this simply because I know that I'm gonna end up with a really greasy skin underneath my makeup. It's not going to work. I mean, I'll just show you now, just rubbing it on my hands, and for me that shine is not, I mean, you can see from this hand it's quite dry and this hand looks quite shiny. Yeah, it's not that. No. I'm not going to be using that. I might use it around my neck and stuff like that, on my chest, but definitely wouldn't use it as a base underneath my makeup or anything like that over the summer. Great SPF 50, but for me it's a no. And like I said, I think this is a sample size. I can't imagine this costing £17.50. So this is yeah, this probably might be a hard pass for me because of the greasiness that I can feel in the cream itself. So the last but not least thing that I got was is by Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. This award-winning pre-shampoo treatment, so yeah, which works with all hair types. See, I'm always skeptical when it say all hair types. I'm shaking my hair. That's it. Works with all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability, hydrating, and shines whilst reducing breakage. Apply to damp hair for a minimum of 10 minutes. Rinse and follow with shampoo, conditioner as usual. Now the full size, which I'm assuming again this is not, oh, this is a full size. Oh, okay, so this is a full size and it's retailing for £9.50. This is the size of my hand. This is the size of the cream. It looks like this. Oh wait, let me turn it around for you. It looks like this. And you get 40 ml. No, it's a no from me. I mean, I'm gonna try it out. You know, it comes in my Birchbox. I've got to be honest, the only thing that I'm really impressed with in my Birchbox this May, and I think this might come through in my video as well, the excitement is not there. I'm not like, oh my god, I got this, I got that, you know. The only two things that I probably, well, the only one thing that I'm really excited to try out is the eye pencil liner by Lord & Berry. It's very creamy, it's extremely black. I mean, the cream or whatever this is in this very tiny bottle, I'm not sure about it. I'm not super impressed. The mascara, again, you know what I say, mascara is mascara. Some marginally perform better than others, but typically a mascara is a mascara. You know, the cream is great, but for me, I just know it's gonna be greasy. End of story. And the elasticizer by Philip Kingsley looks great. 40 ml, £9.50. All hair types. I mean, I'll give it a go. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? Hopefully one doesn't lose one's locks. This is my crochet braids actually, and I've just bunched it up into pineapple. I quite like it. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, no, I'm not really happy about May's. I'm not that excited about May's Birchbox. I've got to be honest with you. And that's my thoughts. I will try out some of the stuff. Yeah, I mean, that's it. I don't really have anything else to say. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that June, which is my birthday month by the way, is a much better box for me. I hope I get a lot more out of it. Like I said, the only two out of 5 things is not exactly the best ratio, but again, my Birchbox isn't that expensive. I think I only pay £10 subscription a month, so in that sense it's good. But you know, I've only got really 2 things that I really am gonna sort of use out of this box, so for that reason, yeah, I'm not super impressed by it. Anyway, on that note, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. And on that note, I hope you're having a great weekend. I'll see you later. Bye.